Okay guys, now I would like to give you an example on the integration. How if we want to integrate a certain function, this is still a basic and simple function. For example, I have 5x to the power of 4 dx. So please not ignore but kind of keep it that way. Later on you will know the function of dx more in integral by substitution and so on. Okay, but for now keep it that way. So whenever you have integral, you need to put dx. Okay, so what is the integration of 5x to the power of 4? So as the integration says, if we want to, okay, let me put some a box here just to remind you the formula. So the integral of ax to the power of n, okay, so it's gonna be a over the power move down and you need to add by 1, then the power itself you need to add by 1 plus c. As simple as this. Okay, so using this formula, this one it's piece of cake actually, right? Okay, so it's gonna be c. My 5 still remain as 5, and the 4 it moves down. It's gonna be 4 plus 1 x to the power of 4 plus 1 plus c. If we make it good, it's gonna be 5 over 5 x to the power of 5 plus c. We can still simplify it, so it's gonna be x to the power of 5 plus c. That's it. Okay, moving on to a little bit more complex. Okay, so I have 3 over 2x squared. Careful, I have the x squared, it's in the denominator part. Okay, so what you need to do first, you need to convert, guys. Okay, before you proceed with the integration process, you need to convert into what, sir? So it's gonna be 3 over 2. Careful, the 2 it's still down here. You do not need to move the 2. It's gonna be even more complex. Okay, so the x squared that is moving up. So x squared, if I move up, careful, and please open your textbook again about the exponential rules. So if I move it up or down, change the position, it becomes negative power. Okay, so this is what you need to do. Okay, dx. Okay, then done. You need to do the integration process, done with the conversion. Okay, so what you do, careful, still same. Minus 2, you move it down, right? So in order to avoid the confusion, I just make it 3 over 2 times 1 over. It's basically same, I guess, yeah? Okay, minus 2 plus 1. Times x to the power of minus 2 plus 1 plus c. So I have 3 over minus 2 plus 1 is it's becoming minus 1, isn't it? 2 times minus 1 is going to be negative 2. Correct me if I'm wrong. X minus 2 plus 1 is going to be minus 1 plus c. Okay, basically it's done. It's already correct, but yes, it's not that good looking enough. Okay, so what we do is going to be negative 3 over, negative, I put it here. So 2 x minus 1, x to the power of minus 1. I move it down again and I join it with this one. So it's gonna be more proper way to express negative 3 over 2x plus c. Okay, it looks more mathematically correct, right? Okay, I think that's all. Any question you can drop in the comment section. Thank you guys.